Alright guys, so here's the front nose of the H145. This is a 2009 model, is what they said. So they had this years ago. So the kids are looking inside. They're trying their best not to mess with the controls, otherwise the crew will give them a warning and stuff. So here's the doors. It's the PHI Hermetical logo right there because they teamed up with them.
Yep. Yeah, that's right.
There's the tail rotor. Yeah, pretty cool. Very nice.
Thank you so much.
So this was years ago before it had the old strobe lights and repainted with the LED ones. They've been taking good care of it with maintenance checks and whatsoever. It's very nice. And there's the turbo shaft engines in there. So yeah, pretty cool helicopter. Very nice.